Welcome to MIT Creation, your one-stop destination for printer fixes, tech guides, and smart solutions. Whether you're facing errors, setup issues, or just want to learn how things work, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a helpful video again. Let's get started. Is your Epson printer showing the error, service required, or ink pad is at the end of its service life? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to reset the waste ink pad counter for Epson L3150, L3110, L3210, and L3250 printers, step by step using your computer. Let's get started. Connect your printer to the PC using a USB cable. Make sure the printer is turned on. Open the Epson Adjustment Program. Select your printer model from the list. Now click on Particular Adjustment Mode. From the list, select Waste Ink Pad Counter and click OK. In the next window, check the box for Main Pad Counter. Click Check. You will now see the current usage of your ink pad. Click Initialize. After the process is complete, the program will prompt you to turn off the printer. Turn it off and turn it back on. Done. The error message should be gone, and your printer is now ready to use. While the software reset works perfectly, remember, the waste ink is still physically inside the printer. So if possible, clean the sponge or connect a waste ink bottle to the back. That way, the ink drains outside and doesn't overflow inside your printer. That's it. You've successfully reset your Epson printers